wake up feeling energized. If you're hitting snooze or waking up tired, you are not alone. The good news is, with a few simple changes, you can start your mornings feeling energized and refreshed. Let's dive into 4 quick tips to transform your mornings. First, stop hitting snooze. Every time you hit snooze, you're interrupting your sleep cycle. Instead of helping, it leaves you groggy and even more tired. Here's the fix. Set your alarm and commit to getting up as soon as it rings. No snoozing. The first few days might be tough, but it gets easier as your body adjusts. 2. Stick to a sleep schedule. Your body thrives on consistency. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends, helps your body find its natural rhythm. Here's a bonus tip. Find out how many hours of sleep you need to feel your best and plan your bedtime around that. 3. Rehydrate and move. After a night without water, your body is dehydrated, and that makes you feel tired. Here's what to do. Drink a glass of water as soon as you wake up. Then, get moving. A quick stretch or walk can get your blood flowing and boost your energy instantly. 4. Avoid screens before bed. Blue light from phones, TVs, and computers tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime, making it harder to fall asleep. The fix. Shut off screens at least an hour before bed. Try reading or journaling instead to help you wind down. These small changes, avoiding snoozing, sticking to a schedule, rehydrating, and cutting screens before bed, can make a huge difference in how you feel every morning. What's your top morning tip for staying energized? Drop it in the comments. And if you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more life-changing tips. Let's wake up better every day.